Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Amazon food storage bags available. The Amazon Basics Reclosable Gallon Food Storage Bags. If you're looking for a reliable, affordable option to keep your food fresh, these bags might just be exactly what you need. Right off the bat, these bags come in a pack of 120, and each bag holds 1 gallon. That's a huge quantity, perfect for families or anyone who likes to store leftovers, pack lunches, or organize pantry items without constantly running out. The bags feature a reclosable top with a double zipper closure, which means you get a tight seal every time to keep air and moisture out, helping your food stay fresh longer. One of the standout features is the design of the bag itself. The stand and fill base makes it easy to fill the bag without it tipping over or spilling. The dimensions are about 10.5 inches long by 9.25 inches high, which is a standard size for gallon bags and great for fitting in most refrigerators or freezers. Safety-wise, these bags are BPA-free, which is an important consideration if you're concerned about chemicals leaching into your food. They are made of durable plastic, designed to be sturdy enough for everyday use, and can handle a variety of foods, whether wet or dry. The product ships from the USA and carries the trusted Amazon Basics name, which is known for providing quality essentials at a competitive price. In fact, these bags are often compared to brand name alternatives like Ziploc but come at a significantly lower price per count, making them a great value buy without compromising on functionality. These storage bags are versatile and recommended for packing, storage, and even organizing non-food items if needed. The lightweight packaging and manageable dimensions make them easy to store in your kitchen drawer or cabinet. Ordering is made convenient, especially if you use Alexa-enabled devices, where you can simply reorder by voice. This is a small but handy feature for those who frequently use these bags and want to avoid the hassle of manual reordering. In summary, the Amazon Basics Reclosable Gallon Food Storage Bags deliver on quality, quantity, and price. They offer a reliable seal, are BPA-free, and come in a large pack size suitable for all kinds of storage needs. Whether you're storing fresh produce, leftovers, or snacks, these bags help keep your food fresh and your kitchen organized. If you're looking for an affordable and effective storage solution, these Amazon Basics bags are definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product reviews. See you next time.